Thank God it worked. Got a heartbeat right there. Got a heartbeat. Okay, so let's get to this. This is way better. Okay. We're gonna start off with the league trade recap we took yesterday. Then do a whole weekly recap eventually. This is my 12/20/2021 market recap. Not market recap. Oops, wrong one. This is my 12/20/2024 trade recap that I took yesterday that I made a 3.6 RR profit. And today is 12/21/2024, but the trade I took it on was 12/20, right? So yeah, got a little late on that and I was kind of busy. So let's go over the whole bias. Why was I looking for a long entry here? Why was I looking for everything to go long on this day? All of the weekly bias was bearish. So weekly, top down analysis is gonna go fully in depth into this, right? Weekly, we're going from weekly IRL to ERL, weekly seriously to the downside. As you know, you see we have weekly go to the downside, right? You can see weekly did a huge expansion, so market needs to make a fair price and close the weekly gap, right? Close the weekly price, right? On the daily is where I get my counter trend to the upside, right? High time frame is where I'm looking for a high time frame. The daily time frame is looking for a short term pullback up, short term counter trend against the trend, right? Eventually look for things like that, right? Let's see on a daily time frame. What were my confluences? Daily ERL to IRL, right? Daily CRT to the upside. What else? What was the other one called? What was the other narrative I had here? Daily. It was a weekly market profile expansion, classic expansion week 1, right? But guess what? What was Friday? Friday was a retracement / reversal. And the reversal is not a big reversal, it's gonna be small retracement. So that was my other narrative to this. That's my other confluence, right? To this building up to this trade. Because to the 4-hour time frame, you see 4-hour time frame support the range low as another confluence. Market London session made the low of the day, another confluence. So looking for New York to continue. If I'm bullish in this case, I'm looking for New York to continue. If I'm bearish in this case, I'll look for New York to reversal, right? So I'm bullish. I'm looking for New York to continue to move to the upside, which it did, right? So my daily profile, I was looking for near continuation. Now they made the low of the day, right? And market support the range low, another confluence. So we want to once the market suits at the range low, we want to buy below the range low. Choose the range high, we want to sell below the range high, right? We want to sell the range high when it suits it out, right? We don't want to do anything in between, right? In this case, you soup it out, so we want to do something in between, right? Because support the range low, we're gonna go to the range high, which was my final take profit on this trade, right? I had my final take profit on this trade was the range high, which I posted my what do they call it? My posted my executions on my Discord if you want to go check it out. And other than that, in the 4-hour time frame as well, we had this 4 for rag, but market was not looking like it's gonna retrace all down here, so we're looking for a hourly. So usually continuation or most of the time 80% chance of it being an hourly instead of the 4-hour, right? But in hourly time frame, we had an hourly key level, successful liquidity. We had an hourly on CRT to the right over here. What else do we had is nothing else. Well, I know what we had. We had a market profile and accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, tapping another key level, reversal, retracement, expansion, right? That was another whole, concept to it. It was a whole another narrative to this, right? To building up to this narrative. It was a whole another conflict building up to this narrative, right? So constantly building up narrative to try to make it more logical and meaning and rational, right? Rather than pattern trading, right? So what else do we had here? With the raised low got souped, I was looking to the 5 minute time frame, cut time from alignment, and you see market this low pressure out this legitimate low. So market closed above, didn't close above the whole candle, and then eventually close above the whole candle over here. Close above this whole candle and close above the next candle's body. So we use the body as our model number one. But you can see my entry was kind of off because market just, I think he just did a real little, the spread was kind of crazy. So market did a big spike move down. So market gave me a really worser entry, but it's cool, right? I'll take profit one with a CRZ high, take profit two with a range high, right? Which is the reason I went for the range high as well, because they were kind of close, right? Sometimes I'm not gonna go for the range high, sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, right? It all depends on where is it at, right? In this case, it would be really clear. It would be a little close to it. Like it would be really low, really close to it, right? So I would have long gone for it as well. And as well, we had a fair value that the market wants to go to, right? On the daily time frame. Although this trade was a win, we could definitely improve, right? So wins, losses, both could be used as an improvement. What could we improve on a trade? This right here helped us be more disciplined. We could improve on being more disciplined. We could improve what I did wrong on this day was I woke up a little late. I woke up at 9 a.m., which was not the case, which should not be that should never happen again. I woke up at 9 a.m., which now we could, that's why I was like kind of confused, right? What I was looking for because my brain was foggy. But what could do and what can we improve on next time? Waking up early. So waking up at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., right? Because I don't know how somehow I woke up late, right? I'm not gonna make an excuse, be like, oh, this, that, right? I woke up late, which next time we could improve on that, right? What was another concept we could improve on? We could improve on this right here, helps to be more consistent, more competent, more confidence, right? And it helps us take higher probability trade setup, right? And other than that, what else can you help us get into? By being confident, right? No, nothing else. And what else? One thing else we forgot about, we bought below the range low, right? You can see at the range low, we bought below the opening price, right? So another concept narrative we had to this, we could see we built up all these narratives just for this one trade, right? And this trade was a good trade, 3.6 RR, right? You see, we built up all these narratives, and my last narrative was a open high low close concept. Open high low close. We want to buy below the range low. We want to buy below the opening price. We want to sell above the opening price, right? So you can see open, low. What confirmed the low? A CISD. How is the CISD confirming it? The CISD confirmed the open high low close concept, right? You see market went up, never went below it again. So we could definitely went below it, right? But guess what? It had a confirmation to this. We have built all these narrative, right? So I mean, it's all based on the probabilities. This could have definitely got on a loss, it got on a win, right? It's all based on the probabilities, right? But the RR is what matters the most, right? You can see market we bought below the opening price, market ATP, right? So opening price is better because you can see every time we went near the opening price, what the market do? We reverse right back down, right? So that means we're in a good position. That means once the market goes above this, it should be ripping, right? You can see right when the market ripped above it, started ripping. Right when the market broke above this opening price, market started ripping because eventually, if you're correct, if you buy below the opening price, is rejection. Eventually, market do an impulsive move to the upside or downside depending on how your bias is, right? And this whole week, I only took one trade. I did take another trade, which was a loss, but that trade was a mistake I made. I did not know the trade. I took a trade on Tuesday, which we shouldn't be trading Tuesday because not Tuesday because we had a major news on Wednesday, right? Which was FOMC press conference. So yeah, I made a mistake to do trading that during that day. My box during that day was correct. Everything was correct. It's just that the day was a less probability of day trading, right? You see, this whole week I had 3 setups, right? One on Monday, offering less than 2 RR. Tuesday, no setups. Wednesday, offering another setup. I guess less than 2 RR. But my set take profit, all the setups hit TP, right? But less than 2 RR, didn't take it. Thursday, did not have a setup. Friday, had the setup, right? Friday was my setup here. So it's a good thing that we focus on the higher probability and not cared about breaking our rules, right? So I did not break my rule, which is a great thing. Usually you can see how the market when the market forces so much setup, right? But there are less than your rule says, like a two less than 2 RR. All the setups offer me all the setups offer me more than 2 RR, right? They offered me a like my main take profit should be offering me a 2 RR. The main take profit does not offer me a 2 RR, which is right over here. In this case, my main take profit is here. You see, you offer me a 2 RR, right? 2 RR and above. If the 2 R if the take profit does not offer me a 2 RR, the main take profit, which is CRT high or CRT low, if it does not offer me a 2 RR, I'm not taking it, right? If it does, and if there's bonus rewards, right, bonus take profit, which is the CRT this range high, we'll go for that as well, right? So this is why it's very important to focus on building good habits and focus on higher probability rather than lower probability, right? All of them had my other trades. The main take profit was less than 2 RR, but all of them, a standard take profit, all of them had a 4 RR and above, right? But they can't do that. Can't make bad habits, right? I gotta follow my rules. This is why we're gonna focus on higher probability. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Peace out. Join our Discord as well if you want to. And yeah, we got a giveaway going right now. Oh, that was a good day. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. What's good, my boy Giz Weeb? We're just back testing today. Today's gonna be a back session to gain more confidence and look over the week to improve. And you guys know I don't backtest during the weekday because during that day I'm trading, right? So today I don't backtest for the rest of I don't backtest for a long time, right? I just backtest a week, which is this currently week, right? I just go backtest and see what I did, the right thing, wrong thing, and try to improve on it, right? Because if you backtest too long, bro, that's gonna just mess up your whole psychology. Okay, this is a good thing right over here. We can make a video on this as well. Weekly market recap. Okay, this is Friday. Okay, trading day. There and last one. Friday, we shamed it. Yes, sir. What is shamed it? Shame? An interesting word, man. That is an interesting word. All right, let me go and do a little bit more of this. Okay, so let me just do first of all. Let me just think about it. How I'm gonna do a day. Eventually, do a video on it, right? Because if I keep on doing a video right now, I might forget some stuff. Friday was a good day, though, eh? Should have. I think we could have gone for one more take profit, but that's gonna be way too greedy. Too greedy on that. What the hell? Where did the take profit go? Oh, I mean, we smashed it. Yes, sir. Oh, it smashed. Oh, it smashed. Oh yeah, bet that, bet that, bet that, bet that. Oh yeah, we could have gone for one more extra take profit if we really wanted to go for that, but that would have not been it. Because we were near it. We could have definitely gone for that, but that sometimes sometimes we will, sometimes we won't, right? So yeah, that's what you see how we could have done another thing on Friday. We could have gone for the 50% mark as well, but yeah. Okay, so let's start off from Monday. So Monday, so 15 o'clock was. So I was looking on Monday. This weekly was all the whole. Monday I was looking for bearishness. Okay, I was looking for bearish side. Okay. Was trying to build narrative to the downside here. Okay, so I clash at daily 50%. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. Yeah, I saw that too. I was gonna mark that out, but I literally forgot about it, bro. That's what actually today I was looking into. Like, oh, there's a 50% mark we gotta go on for as well. But sometimes, you know, it might not happen. Market might fully reverse, right? So that's why I'm trying to go for a realistic take profit, right? So that's why I don't go for a. That's why I count those take profits as bonus reward, right? You can see right over here, right? My main take profit is CRT high, right? But these are bonus reward, right? Where, you know, if I want to make some money and, you know, so use that money as a way to, you know, do some expenses, right? If I want to buy something, right? But this is my main take profit, right? These are just bonus rewards because sometimes all I care about these were sometimes, let's just say market number goes here, right? It goes reverse all the way back down. Now, you know, I didn't close I didn't close and I didn't partial or I didn't, you know, take profit. So market reverses and now I'm making like no money, right? That's some stupid stuff. It's only sometimes that I go for these type of trades here. Not a trade like there's those type of take profits, right? So yeah, today I mean we could have definitely done that, but it was realistically, if you really think about it, this take profit is close to our initial entry, right? Is this right up here is not that big of a difference. So market could have definitely gone there. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that right when I do my weekly market recap. That's what I'm saying. I was kind of foggy. That's what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying? So let me get into this Friday, this weekly market recap. Monday, Sunday, 15 minutes. The 17 o'clock was the range. 1 o'clock manipulated, but didn't do nothing much. 1 a.m. at the high of the day. See 1 a.m. So we're looking for downward Thursday profile, and we're looking for near to continue move to the downside. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so looking for near to continue. Okay, so I'll go with for our key level. We're going from a 4-hour IRL to ERL, IRL, ERL. I think there was a SMT on this. I'm pretty sure. Should have been SMT there, right? I'm not sure though. Marky, we think going all the way back down there. Yeah, 4-hour IRL to ERL here. We were in the premium region as well. Premium, so it's good to sell. Really narrative here, okay. What else do we had? Range high, range low. Okay, so that's another concept here. You can see now this would be a realistic take profit to go for. You can see would have gone for this if you really wanted to, because see how the range low is near this. It's near this, you know, CRT low. Realistically, would have gone for that. It's, you know, sometimes no, sometimes yes. But we'll talk about it later on in the week. I think I have more topics to talk about that because that would have been a right one. Okay, let me see range low right over here. The reason is a range here because market, you can see market is playing on this between this range. Super the range high. We want to sell. We want to sell when the market suits at the range high. We want to buy when the market suits at the range low. So that was the only thing, no only narrative of daily range. Order flow was bearish. Okay, this whole week order flow was bearish, right? So throughout this whole week, every time we took a sell, order flow was always bearish. And you can see how when the order flow is bearish, right? You can see how when the market on Friday, you can see how market you see on this price action on Friday because the market constantly came back down because the order flow is bearish, right? So this is why buying on this position is kind of, you know, Stuff like this might happen sometimes, but yeah. See how market was constantly pushing down, but eventually pushed up as our body was correcting everything. Whoa, what just happened, bro? Oh my god, no way, gotta fix that. No way. Chat, do you guys know how to fix this right over here? I don't even know what happened. It's cool, though. Just... What is this? Oh, it's 50. No way I messed it up, man. What the hell, bro? Okay, so building all this negative, now we go to the lower time frame. It's crazy. Oh, we could push it down. Oh, we could push it up. It's crazy, okay. Gotta delete that then. Okay, never mind. I think we can't fix that. Okay, I gotta delete it then. I already put it on. Control Z. Oh my god. I lost it. Right over here. Oh, I think I go back to the low time frame, yeah. I think if I keep on pushing back, I might get it. Hooray. I fixed it. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hate this mechanic. That happened to me so many times now, bro. I gotta go put the that whole this indicator right back on because I gotta do all the settings. I gotta redo all the settings and it takes hella time. It takes hella time. Now let's go to Ball Replay tool right over here. We're looking for Ali here as well, right? We were looking for Ali as well. And these are the low. Look. Yeah, there was definitely SMT here. Boom, close below the whole candle here. As you can see, chat, this SMT was like false, but during this specific time right over here that we're taking a trade, it was not false, but it's offering me less than 2 RR, so I didn't even take it myself. Yeah, 1.6 RR is not the RR you want to go for. 1.7 RR, bro. God. See, tapped it straight away, right after tapped it. Oh, 1.7 RR, damn, okay. He did hit TP, but this over time, if you're taking trades like this, it offers you less than 2 RR, then yeah, there's something to go for. Let's go to the whole next day here. Thank you, bro. You saved my whole life here, man. Is this indicator? I love it, but when I have to redo it, bro, redo all the settings. When I delete it, pain. It's pain in the ass, man. Still in this. Oh shoot. So now we got a new spot to put our premium sell here. Okay, so time frame is that okay. 5 a.m. right over here. This day I was looking for sales. I'm looking for sales until Friday because Friday is the only day we have a retracement / reversal. So what else do we have here on Friday? Boom, this scan right over here. Oh, we can't trade Tuesday because there's a major news on next day, right? You can see how price action was kind of off here. But you could overall see market did deliver, but Tuesday should not be the trading day just due to because of high major news on the next day. Which now we learn from it, right? So we did lose, but overall the week ended in profits ended up on a 2%, 2.5% profit. Okay, what else do we have here? This is the next week. Next day, I mean. Scanner play. Okay. Out here we're looking for another shorting here. 9 a.m. 5 a.m. Okay, 5 a.m. right over here. Next candles we're looking for. So we're looking to go to the outlet timer to look for the key level, which is right over here. So we're looking for our neo continuation here as well. Go to the downside. We're going from multiple take profits here, right? We're going from this take profit right over here because it's TRT. But the main initial take profit is now for a 2RR, so we would have not taken it. And this was another take profit we were going for. I think it's a daily time frame. Daily range low. Daily CRT low right over here. Since this day we were looking for when we're doing a take profit. That's right over here. This take profit all down here would have been considered a realistic take profit. The reason would have been considered realistic take profit because it's FOMC, so a big move's gonna happen, right? If the big move happens, this right over here is not too off realistic. It's like realistic for us to go to, right? But my initial take profit must offer me a 2RR for me to hold it there because my initial take profit is what I'm actually supposed to grow my account out of, right? And what else do we have here? This as well. We have the range low. Actually forgot what the range low. You can see range low, range high. You can see markets playing in between these ranges. Market super at the range high. Once the market super at the range high, we're looking for ourselves, right? So we built up all these narratives, CRT, range high got soup. We're in a premium region. I'm saying all these good shit. You can save the indicator on your modified setting, key level auto block. Wait, you can save the indicator like you modify on the indicator setting like Cause I do it like this, right? Do I click reset setting? Cause I can't save it. It won't let me. Cause you either save as default. When I save as default, it goes back to normal, right? It goes back to a whole different thing, which I don't like it. When I say reset settings, it won't let me save it. Don't let me bother with it. But what other thing we have here over here is that that's the narrative. So we had a range high got suit. We're in a premium region. We are CRT high got suit as well. So the next zone location is CRT low. Weekly is IRL to ERL. Daily, nothing else. Nothing much. Daily, previous day high got soup as well, right? Oh, the next case was not. That was not it. We're looking for a neo continuation because we're bearish, right? So, at a 5-minute time frame, mark out the hourly candle here. As well, we have this Alice, say E level, which the 4-hour key level got tapped. The one caused the actual good here. Market open. Range high. Send real quick. Tap the 4-hour key level as well here. Making it beautiful. Close below it. Right when it closed below this can right over here. Our entry. Boom. That's into RR, but see, boom. Why is this take profit like this? We're all the way extending. Main initial take profit offered me a 1.2 RR, which is not a good thing, right? This is like basically, making no money. Actually, these did offer me a 4.4 RR. As I said my yesterday, I did have setups that offer me more than 4 RR, but the setups were initial take profit, which is my main take profit, down from me 2 RR, so I didn't take it. You can see market did eventually rush down. Market never hit a break even entry here, so keep that in mind. You can see never hit break even. Trade TP. And Thursday, I think, was not a trading day because market just tapped our opposite side of the CRT. I said Thursday, I didn't have much of a what do you call it, a way to know where the market's gonna go. I was kind of confused on Thursday because I didn't have enough, confluence here. So looking for a neo continuation, right? You can see in this case, I'm looking for a neo continuation. I'm looking for a neo to continue to move the downside because this I had my bias wrong. I had my daily profile wrong. It's meant to be a neo a continuation, but it's kind of hard to read it as well. I thought it was gonna go push out the liquidity, but it did not push out the liquidity. But in this case, you can see market did go range. But you see what the low range low, what I'm not looking for in the trades. But eventually on this trade, you can see I didn't have too much contact on the trade. I only had the only thing I had was a fair value gap, nothing much. No premium discount, only fair value gap here. The IRL to ERL, which is not that much of a context. Friday was a good day right over here. So that one, let me do my weekly market recap. And we can talk about that. We talk about the Friday 50% mark because usually I hate marking out the 50% mark of the CRT. Like it makes me mad. Like bro, it just annoys me, right? But that's a bad habit, and I'm gonna fix that up. Next time when I have a daily CRT, I'll put that on as well. I go to the Trader 5. This is my weekly market recap of every trade I went through this week. What were the lessons? What were the improvements? What could we take from this week to the next week? And everything that we did throughout this week and how can we improve? Because this is right here, right? Long term rather than short term, right? Let's go over it. Monday had a setup. The setup offered me less than 2 hours, so I didn't take it, right? See, my initial take profit, which is down right over here, offered me less than 2 hours. Even the extended take profit did not offer me a 2 hours, so I didn't take it as well, right? But let's go over it. What was the analysis? What was the narrative to this leading to this trade right over here? And this week was a major. There was a FOMC on Tuesday, no, on Wednesday. So Tuesday should not be a trading day, but I'm gonna talk about Tuesday as well because I took a loss, right? And I made a mistake. But our narrative to the trade was range high got soup, right? Narrative number one. Weekly going from weekly IRL to ERL. So from Monday all the way till Friday, Monday all the way till Thursday, I'm looking for shorts because Friday could be potentially a Friday reversal / retracement, right? So you can see we had a premium. We're in the premium region. You can see, discount premium. We're in premium right over here. So looking for shorts here, right? That was not the right one, by the way. So the right one was this case, and that Monday case this would be the right one. Go for. Oh my god! Come on, man. On Monday, you can see premium discount. That was another range, and we had all the weekly advice. Actually, let me go to the 4 time frame because it'll tell me better because I'm kind of confused in the 5-minute time frame. We had our 4-hour key level. We had SMT, by the way, so that was the case there. SMT, market over the range high, we're in the premium region. That was simple as that, right? So market on the 5-minute time frame there during that Pacific time, we had a SMT. We could see SMT was definitely false. Market went back up, super out the range of SMT, and if you would have held that trade, it'd been stop loss. That's what I'm talking about. It was a lower probability trade, so I didn't take it, right? Because he offered me this at 2RR. My initial take profit right here offered me this at 2 hours, so I didn't take it, right? Already said. And you can see SMT during that Pacific time, there was SMT. This candle did purge out liquidity, so it would be considered as a validated or model number one. Market closed below, tapped it, went all the way here to hitting our TP, right? But if you would have holded it and done unrealistic take profit, like hold down here, you would have had a loss because probabilities and having realistic take profit, right? This is right here with realistic take profit to go for. You see ATP. Simple as that, but I didn't take it because of the tour Tuesday. I would say, and other thing I was looking for a New York continuation. You could definitely see New York did continue to move to the downside. This was where the New York continues. So even if it goes below the 5 a.m. low, it's going to that's considered a continuation. So market did continue it. Last session did make the high of the day, so there's another narrative to it, right? Tuesday was another trading session. You can see I did take a setup here. I did have a loss, but eventually this is where the improvement comes from, right? I learned that I shouldn't be trading before the day of the high major news, which is FOMC, NFP, CPI, and PPI, right? The day before the first major news, I shouldn't be trading, right? Which was this day was FOMC. I shouldn't be trading it, so had a loss here. I eventually found out quickly that, oh, my boss was correct. I was looking for shows here. My boss was overall correct, right? My boss was still validated, but just that I had a shouldn't be trading this day because the day is a lower probability, right? The day, so it makes the the setup even worse, right? So worse price action, right? The lower probability day makes the price action worse, right? You can see how price action was kind of off. Now let's go to the next day, which was on Wednesday. Wednesday, we could be trading before the news because Wednesday is fine. Wednesday, be trading before the news is always fine, right? Because here over here on Wednesday, we're looking for a near continuation, and we go to the 4 hour time frame. Actually, 1 hour could be better. You see, Leonard Session made the high of the day. I was looking for near to continue the move, so that's more narrative number one. Market super CRT high, so next door on the CRT low. Market super range high, the next door on the CRT low, the range low. And on the daily time frame, market to super the range CRT high, so looking CRT low to get soup. Go to the CRT low. That's why I had to extend take profit for a 4.4 RR, but I didn't take it. I will tell you guys all right. And what else we had here? Yeah, I think that was we were selling in the premium region. You can see premium discount, and our entry was where? Right on the premium region, right? So premium discounts, so our entry was our premium, which is great. It's another narrative. And now let's go talk into why I didn't take the trade. The solely main reason I didn't take the trade was, you can see this right over here, this low right over here is my main take profit, right? So if the main take profit is not for me at 2 RR, it's considered a lower probability. This take profit is considered as a bonus reward, right? But this should always offer me a 2 RR, so I didn't take it. As simple as that, right? You can see market hit TP, I didn't take it because simply the main take profit not offer me 2 RR. You can see the entry right over there. That just didn't take it because it offered me the 2 RR. And this take profit would have been like, well, is it unrealistic take profit because it's so far away? Because you were, in this case, you were talking about, well, shouldn't be going below this because wouldn't that be considered unrealistic? In this case, would have not been unrealistic because it's news day, right? So big major news gonna happen, big moves gonna happen to the downside or upside. And if you go to the higher time frame, like I said, weekly, going from weekly arrow to arrow, so looking for bearishness until Friday, right? Eventually at Friday, I'm looking for a reversal sales retracement. See, if this is a big major news day, and we're going with the higher time frame, so the higher time frame is bearish. So if we're going the higher time frame, this is likely to go in our favor instead of against us, right? If you have the right bias. So Thursday comes around. Thursday I didn't take no trades. It did not for me. There was not enough reason for me to take a look. There was not enough reason for me to take a trade. There was not enough narrative for me to look for a trade. All we had was a weekly, classic expansion week profile one. You can see market did expand on Tuesday, made the high of the week, and on Wednesday is when I found out what type of classic. On Wednesday is when I found out what type of weekly profile we're looking for because market did a huge move, right? So that's the actual expansion, so it could tell us what type of market will it be for the week. So on the weekly time on the weekly profile, looking for a weekly classic expansion week. So I was looking for Thursday to continue to the downside. I was looking for Friday to, do a little retracement. If it doesn't move the goal, do a little retracement to end off the weekly cap range, right? So our boss for Thursday was not that much, which is like IRL to ERL for our time frame, and weekly class, especially week one, which is the two that I have the high of the week. Nothing much, but market never actually gave us a setup here. So looking for a New York continuation, London high of the day, so another narrative as well. You can see our New York continuation never offered us here. Market never set that range high. Market just attempted to go just down lower here without what do you call it? Without giving a setup. So okay, let me disregard that as my day. Done for the day, right? Friday, I was looking for a Friday retracement slash to end of the week slash TGIF. So I was looking for a reversal slash retracement on Friday. So for our Friday narrative, we had this daily ERL to IRL, daily CRT to the upside. We have the 50% mark as well. Should be one of the take profit. All right. What else do we had? We had a Friday slash retracement. That's our narrative. So on the 4 hour time frame, what more of a narrative that we had? we had a 4-hour range low, range high, market super the range high. We want to buy when the market super the range low. We want to sell when the market super the range high, right? So the narrative, I was looking for a New York continuation because London made a low today, so no normal protection profile and New York continuation because I'm bullish in this case, right? Go to the hourly time frame. What else do we had here in the hourly time frame? You can see market. I was looking for a little retracement in the hourly time frame, not the 4-hour, because sometimes you will retrace to the 4-hour, sometimes it will not, right? But on the hourly time frame, it's looking for hourly retracement, which is like going to be higher chance of it retracing to inside the 4-hour. Had an hourly 4-hourly kilo, which is Tesla liquidity, right? And what else what I had here? Nothing much. That's it. And it goes to the 5-minute time frame. I know I did have something else, right? Oh, by the way, in all of these narrative, all of them had a market profiling. I just forgot to talk about it, right? So market open, accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, type another key of another reversal, retracement, expansion, right? And other narrative to this trade, we had a open high low close concept. We bought below the open price, which should be a good way to trade, right? And my take profit, my initial take profit, which was right over here, offered me a 2RR and above. So I took the trade. And this right over here, this to me was considered a higher probability setup. Let's see, it was a higher probability without wasting any time, right? So my initial take profit offered me a 2RR. So I'm on the other take profit, which is a range high. This was realistic. It was near, right? But other trade I had, other setup I had, which was right over here, which I completely forgot about, right? So on Friday, I forgot to set up my take profit, which is on the 50% of the CRT. Got set up the take profit. I just went to the end of the week, right? I just went to the end of the week. I was kind of foggy in that day as well, but yeah, you can see we could have extended the take profit to this and got against a 1.4 hours. Next time, I'm gonna keep in mind I should be marking out the 50% mark of the CRT as well. That specific day, I forgot it because I was kind of foggy because I woke up a little late, right? You can see right over here, our last take profit should have been here because this was realistic, right? T. This is realistic take profit, not too far away from each other. It's not unrealistic. These are realistic realistic take profits. You see, because CRT gives us the most realistic take profit out there, right? You see, realistic take profit, and I only hold it till here. I did not know about this, but we could improve on it, right? So this is my trade recap. Now let's go over the improvements we can have. So improvement number 1 we could have is do not trade before a high impact news. The first high impact news, which is either FOMC, NFP, CPI, PPI, right? All the improvement is wake up early, wake up at 6 to 7 a.m. Another improvement is to what was other improvement? To have emotional control, right? In this case, we had no emotional disruption this whole week. Our emotions were fine, everything was good, right? It's just that, yeah, those are the only two main thing we could go, but we could definitely improve more on being consistent, disciplined, waking up earlier, naturally before the high major news, which was on Tuesday. So on Tuesday we had a loss, right, because we did that mistake, right? But overall in the week we ended up on a 2.5% gain. If I would have held to here, we would have ended up on a 3.5% gain instead of 2.5, right? It's all cool. We learned from it. And one other thing we could definitely improve on is marking out the 50% mark and using that as our take profit as well, right? Thank you for watching. This is my weekly market recap of every trade I took. Want to see the execution on the trade? This is the only trade I actually took. This one I didn't take it because lower probability setup. I take it. This one lower probability setup. I didn't take it. This one there was a mistake I made it. So I shouldn't be trading this day because before the day before the high major news, you can see Wednesday was a NFPS FOMC. So I want to take one trade. If you want to see the execution is in my Discord. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, join the Discord if you want to. I highly suggest you do. But yeah, peace out. What's good, my boy? Hello, what's good, my boy? Teacher Effect, what's good, brother? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Señor. Okay, I got 2 more video. Okay, should we make any other video here? What is this, man? Any other video should we make? Y'all need help with anything? You need help with we talk about any topics that you may need help with? Let me know. Gotcha. Damn, I got such a skinny muscle, bro. Oh my god. Holy shoot. What is this, bro? Okay, dang, everything is dumping here. Okay, it's interesting. That's interesting here. Okay. That's that. Any other topic? Let me think, let me think, let me think. Let me use my brain a little bit. The other topic is gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow should be the day we should be topic. So tomorrow we're gonna do another retrade. We're gonna do another, you know, we can look back into trades and improve and do our improvement next time, next week on. Carry on next week and improve from there on, right? So this week our boss was everything was correct, looking for sales throughout the whole week until Friday. Because Friday can be a retracement reversal. And yeah, thank you for watching, chat. I'll see you guys later, man. I'm gonna go upload the videos and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, chat.